Sapus! I heard that you got an accident, so we hope you get well soon. Now we will present about descriptive text. But before we start, let me and my team introduce ourselves. My name is Diputudian Fidjiantari, number 33, and my friends.
My name is Iputu Pandiasa, number 80.
My name is Ikadas Murabeksa, number 15.
My name is Ikadas Seniwadas, number 12.
My name is Nimanda Sarah Pranay Putri, my number is 29.
My name is Igusari Rati Indrani Putri. My number is 9.
Okay, let's start the presentation.
Descriptive text. I text which say what a person or thing is look like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. The function of using descriptive text is to describe a particular person, place, thing, or animal. I will read the structure. Identification, the section located in the first paragraph. I am to identify an object that you want to describe. Identification function to introduce the reader to the object that are going to explain. Description. This section located in the second paragraph and so on contain the characteristic inherent in something that you introduce to the reader in the first paragraph.
I will continue to read the structure of descriptive text. Conclusion. It is the last paragraph. It is the conclusion. You can restart the thesis sentence of your first paragraph. And now the language feature. Number 1. The use of the adjective to clarify the noun. For example, a beautiful beach, a handsome man, and the famous place in Jepara.
Okay, now I will continue explain about language feature. The second is use of descriptive word. A descriptive word is a word used to give detail and more information. Descriptive word have visualize, describe, define, or explain information about place, people, thing, or action. They can be adjective describing noun or adverbs describing action. And the third is the use of simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present because it tells the phase of the object described. For example, she is at home. And 4 is action verbs. Verbs that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, and cut. The last is specific participant. As a certain object is not common and unique, only one. For example, Bandungan Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple, and Uncle Jim. Okay, now I will read an example of descriptive text. This text is about Trunyan village. Trunyan or Tarunyan is a Balinese village that located on the eastern shore of Lake Batur, a caldera lake in Bali Regency, Central Bali, Indonesia. Trunyan is one of culturally isolated Baliaga village in Bali. Trunyan village is located on the isolated eastern shore of crescent-shaped Lake Batur at the foot of Mount Abang, a peak rim on the eastern of the large caldera. The village is most easily accessible by boat. Trunyan village is notable for its peculiar treatment of dead bodies, in which they are placed openly on the ground, simply covered with clothes and bamboo canopies and left to decompose. The corpse was placed under an ancient banyan tree known as Tarumenyan, literally nice-smelling tree. Near the burial ground is thought to keep the corpses from smelling putrid. It is said that the tree remains ancient that neutralizes the smell of rotting bodies. Now I will continue to read
the example of descriptive text. The people of Trunyan are generally considered to be the Bali Aga people, the mountains Balinese, unlike the lowland Balinese. Bali Aga people practice ancient ritual which predate the arrival of Hinduism or Buddhism. Bali Aga of Trunyan is noted for unique traditions even among the Bali Aga. According to copper plate inscription found in one of the shrines of the main temple of Trunyan. The temple dates back to at least 10 years century or 833 Saka. The village is believed to be much older than the temple.
Okay, that's all about our presentation today. We will close this presentation with Parama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om.